is a Vision 2030 project. We identified it as such with Mzee Mwai Kibaki, and even Raila was a prime minister in the Grand Coalition government. And we know this is a project that will generate in excess of 600 megawatts of electricity. It will give irrigation capacity to all this area, covering the counties of Tana River, Kitui, and even Garissa. And checking the, if you like, the overflow. Usiwa Tana River ulikile tokangane vandu wetu wa Kipini. Nambua yo kata Mudhembono enda ngaleko ya Garissa. Mekweta mafuriko mawo. And that high grant force will not only check that, but it's going to bring agricultural development. Tuminane na nza. Nyemwe zetu tuwekete bidii tukambezia wiki thuki baya ne engukane ni utumomoa dhana. Na imagine wiki thuki ngili wiki thuki maana types ya wiki thuki ta maana 5 minimum. And that is what we are trying to do. Therefore, Wilfred ati yone kwa Yesu alameka procurement nini corruption ile ile kenye ufisadi ulikila ono uiselesia project te kanu ngei ando makwenda ngea mbesa mwemenda contract ya ile silanga zu kwenga isilanga billions of shillings. Na nyamuna mwaka ngumu alikuwa amepatiwa instructions the Appeals Board. Eventually ila William Ruto president yula wibo mana koma ni na prime minister ongelesetwa Sunak musi munene timunene musi wa ki tourist in Sharm el-Sheikh in Egypt. Then the presentation by the British government was, we want to help Kenya in the mitigation effort of climate change.